What recommendation? From when he recommended me to replace him.
So this is my iPhone 13 Pro. I upgraded from my iPhone 11 and I can tell you this is a big upgrade. I love the quality of the screen, I love the quality of the video and photos, and to be honest, at first I wanted to get iPhone 13 because I liked the pink color, but I wanted to have all the functions iPhone can offer us this year. That's why I got this iPhone 13 Pro 256 gigabytes gold color, and I must say I'm in love with this gold color. It's just so pretty. So in the next part of the video I'll show you the quality of the videos and photos iPhone can take. Let's go. So the same conditions, the same light, and this is how the video on the front camera looks compared to my previous video with iPhone 11. Well, let's try the cinematic mode on the front camera. You can see everything works perfectly so far. Focused on me, background is blurred, all good. As far as I was trying cinematic mode, it works kind of two ways, automatically and with your help. So what it does automatically, if you're talking to the camera, you're obviously on focus, the background is blurred, you turn around and the background is not that blurred and you're showing something, you come back, you're in focus again, everything is fine, right? The second way is you're helping your camera to focus on the subject you want to be focused on. So for example, I'm tapping on the iPad and I'm talking about iPad now, I'm showing you everything, and then I tap on myself, I'm in focus again. And you can help it when you turn around, you tap on the iPad and you come back again. So it kind of helps maybe to do it faster. It does it automatically, but as well you can help to find the focus. So this is the main camera on iPhone 13 Pro. This is me roller skating. So yeah, the quality seems to be very good. Let's try to zoom in. Yeah, the quality is still good. A little bit shaky. So back to normal and wide angle. I like it. It looks very good. Let's try to take pictures. This is a wide angle picture. Let's try the normal camera. This is the normal camera and I will zoom in now. 3 times zoom. This is 3 times zoom. And the next one is maximum zoom. This is maximum zoom. And the more stable your hand is, the better quality zoomed in picture you will get. I screen recorded a process of macro photo so we can see how fast the camera will get the focus. So yeah, this is the process when you're trying to take a macro picture. And now the same in the video mode. Oh. Yeah, I feel like I can film for National Geographic. And this is cinematic mode outside. I'll try to go around. So yeah, seems to be pretty good quality, and it's also a front camera. Okay, let me try the main camera as well for cinematic mode. Let's see how it works. So this is cinematic mode on the main camera. I'm not... Okay. This is my first fault for today. Oh, my butt. I don't know if I'm on the screen, but yeah, this is how it looks. Woo! So this was my little review of iPhone 13 Pro. I'm not a professional, I'm just a user who bought new phone and filmed the first expression of this phone. I hope it will help someone to pick their new phone. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Oh no. Oh no.